Are you wondering if you can move your crypto assets from a wallet like MetaMask or a hardware wallet like Ledger to Bifrost Wallet? It's a common question, and the short answer is yes, you can. But it's crucial to understand how it works. The key to this process is your recovery phrase, also known as a seed phrase. This phrase is the master key to your crypto, not just for one specific wallet application, but for all the wallets and accounts associated with it. Think of it like this: your MetaMask or Ledger is the front door, but your recovery phrase is the key that can open that same door, no matter what house you're in. To migrate to Bifrost Wallet, you will use your existing recovery phrase. If you have a MetaMask wallet, you likely have a 12-word recovery phrase. A Ledger hardware wallet uses a 24-word phrase. Bifrost Wallet is designed to support both. The process is straightforward. First, download the Bifrost Wallet app. When you open it for the first time, instead of creating a new wallet, you'll select the option to import or restore an existing wallet. You will then be prompted to enter your 12 or 24-word recovery phrase, one word at a time. It's essential to do this carefully and accurately. Once you've entered the phrase, Bifrost Wallet will generate the same crypto addresses that you have in your old wallet. This means you don't need to manually send your crypto assets from one wallet to the other. They are not actually in the wallet application, but on the blockchain, and your recovery phrase simply gives you access to them. After the import is complete, you should see your existing balances and transactions. It's that simple. You have now successfully migrated your wallet without a single transaction fee. Remember to always keep your recovery phrase in a secure, offline location. Never share it with anyone, and be wary of any application that asks for it. Happy migrating!